Hello, welcome to FarmCG. Today I'm going to show you a cool tip about removing copyright issue in YouTube. So I have some videos here that have copyright. So first you have to go to Creator Studio Classic and go to skip, and it will give you the Studio Classic version of YouTube, and you have to find which video have the copyright issue. So click the copyright notice here, and you can see I have two copyright notice, and actually it has because of the music included, so there is no monetization option. So click the edit button and it will give you the editor. So click the audio, and that will give an option to replace. So you can see that it's the copyrighted content and it is monetized by some guy called Clement. So all the monetization of this video go to this guy. So I want to remove that. So can go and select any audio and replace that copyrighted content. So that's a cool trick you can use. Select that audio and add to video, whichever YouTube audio you can use, and just trim up to that mark. So you can see that when it overwrite that content, it will be the blue section. If it's in the orange section, you need to make the trim, so that will be in the blue section. So you can have that video remove the audio, whichever the audio which has that monetization issue or the copyright issue, you can remove that video audio within YouTube itself. So no need to re-upload your video. So thank you for watching FarmCG. Have a nice day.